Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 12272 Class 2 trailer hitch on the 2006 Chevy Malibu. For a better view of the installation, we'll be using a lift. Like most of our installations, this vehicle does not need to be elevated for the install. We estimate this installation to take 30 minutes to 1 hour depending on your level of expertise. These are the tools necessary for the install. Begin by lowering the exhaust by removing 2 rubber isolators. We recommend using a soapy water mixture or sprayer lubricant and pry bar to ease the removal process. Starting on the passenger side, remove the bottom 2 bumper bolts from the end of the panel located here. Continue by removing the existing well nut from the end panel on the inside of the frame rail. Repeat this process on the opposite side. Enlarge the existing holes in the end panel using a 3/8 inch drill bit. Repeat this process on the opposite side. For ease of installation, place the bolts with the included square hole spacers into the frame prior to lifting the hitch. Reverse fish wire the forwardmost attachment point by threading a supplied carriage bolt into the coil end of the fish wire and place the carriage bolt into the frame. Place a square hole spacer over the opposite end of the fish wire and place this into the frame as well. Pull in the opposite end of the fish wire, pulling the carriage bolt through the spacer and down and out through the frame. Repeat this process on the driver's side. Raise the hitch in position. Secure the hitch with the supplied flange nuts until finger tight. Torque all hardware to the exact value specified in the supplied instruction sheet. Reinstall any removed exhaust hanger rubber isolators. At least that transition didn't involve any snakes. This completes the installation of the CURT 12272 Class 2 trailer hitch on the 2006 Chevrolet Malibu. Find all the CURT products for your ride, and thank you for watching this video. Now you can bring it.